for you everywhere. Oh, so you're busy looking at other people's panties.
Panties.
Hey, go to the panties. I'm busy imagining yourself. Muri tuma kuto bisana embe. Kiriga ura mushota. Oh, but you're obsessed. You can't even take your eyes off for 2 minutes.
What do you tell me? That's a boxer shot.
Oh, so now you're calling me stupid.
You're acting stupid.
Hey, good time I am going to make you stupid. Huh?
Why is it everything? Why is it everything you could just tell someone you can't provide?
Because you're useless, man, anyway. Huh? You're a pathetic excuse of a man. Answer. Please, my books. I bought this book, man, with my own money. Karapana is spending my money. Teacher, huh? 4 years of university for nothing. You don't sit on your degree, you use it and get yourself a job. I don't know because I do every right for you. Huh? I gave you money. With what money? Huh? You're not a man, once go. You can't even make your woman proud. And you can't even come in the mirror if you're taking a few. You can't do that.
But don't mean a few one. You think she's got to take a few.
Oh, it's like a few.
Few. So it's about few.
No, few brought me few.
So it's about few.
Because he's a man. That one's a man who I was.
Okay.
Eh. You're busy looking at my panties. That was just going on. She shan't say niggas don't broke about it, but I'll go on. You are useless, Kwese. Look at me. You are useless.
What's
I want to say? Do you check and do take my drinks on what she does? Huh? Some come to my show to take my drinks. Andy, come on. I'll school my dad on my drinks. So, and I'll get up, can I, man? Andy, so I don't was my daba. Eh? Tell us the Namuka Mona, send the good fire.